Most Mother's Day brunches do not fail in the kitchen. They fail in the head. You hold the menu, the grocery list, and the cook timeline all in your mind at once. And by the time the oven hits temperature on Sunday morning, 3 of those pieces have drifted. The fix is not a better recipe. The fix is to move the planning off your shoulders and onto a tool that can hold all 3 at once. 10 minutes on a Sunday afternoon buys back 90 minutes of morning calm 2 weeks later. Here is the workflow. The difference between a useful AI brunch plan and a generic one is 4 specific inputs. Vague prompts produce a menu that reads well and cooks badly. The 4 inputs are guest count, prep window, dietary restrictions, and available appliances. Guest count changes recipe scale and how much oven you need. Prep window is the time between waking up and serving. A 90-minute window rules out anything that needs 45 minutes of hands-on work. Dietary restrictions matter because the AI will silently default to traditional brunch otherwise. And appliance-aware planning is the single biggest difference between a menu that fits and one that does not. 1 oven versus 2, a stand mixer, a waffle iron. The AI needs to know. Here is the workflow, from empty kitchen to grocery order placed. Step 1. Anchor the menu. Pick 4 slots: savory main, baked item, produce side, drink. Step 2. Give the AI your 4 inputs. Step 3. Cross-reference the menu against your pantry before the grocery list gets built. Most chatbots do not remember your pantry between sessions. Recipy does. Step 4. Generate the grocery list in waves. A must-have wave for anchor ingredients with no substitute and a flexible wave for items that can swap. Step 5. Build the cook timeline backward from the serve time. Step 6. Assign 1 dish for the night before. A French toast casserole or shaped scones drop morning workload by roughly 40%. Step 7. Keep 1 dish live for a quick win when guests arrive. A pour-over. The backward from serve time timeline is the trick. Most home cooks build the schedule forward and run out of oven space. Build it backward, and the oven Tetris solves itself. For an 11 a.m. brunch, Saturday at 8 p.m., you assemble the French toast casserole and put it in the fridge. Saturday at 8 p.m., you mix the scone dough, shape it, and freeze it. Sunday at 8 a.m., you pull the casserole out to warm. 9 a.m., oven on, preheating to 375. 9:15, the casserole goes in for 40 minutes. 9:30, the strawberries get macerated. 10 a.m., casserole drops to the lower rack. Frittata goes on top. 10:30, frittata comes out. Scones go in. 10:52, scones come out. Everything plates. 11 a.m., you serve. Written down, the sequence is obvious. Unwritten, it is 3 stressful hours. A good AI tool produces this timeline. 4 traps wreck more Mother's Day brunches than bad recipes do. Trap 1. Menu drift. The AI suggests a 5th dish. You add it. Now you are double oven, triple stovetop, and 2 hours behind. Stick to 4 dishes. Trap 2. Untested recipes. A new recipe on a holiday morning is a gamble. Test 1 new dish the weekend before, not on the day itself. Trap 3. Seasonal ingredient assumption. The AI may suggest something that is out of season or regionally unavailable. Cross-check the grocery list against your local grocery chain the night before you shop. Trap 4. Forgetting the drink. A brunch without a drink plan stalls at the start. Set up the mimosa bar or the coffee station as its own slot in the menu skeleton. One last thing. The 2026 Mother's Day brunch base case now includes at least 1 guest on a GLP-1 medication, at least 1 vegetarian, and a strong chance of a gluten-free or dairy-free diner. A savory main with 25 grams of protein per serving covers the GLP-1 guest without changing anything for everyone else. A frittata with extra eggs and cheese works. A Greek yogurt parfait station works. Vegetarian guests are already covered by an egg-forward brunch. Skip the bacon side and you are done. Gluten-free guests usually need the scone or French toast variant swapped. A good meal planning app handles all 3 swaps if you set the guest dietary list before the menu generates. Mother becomes love the brunch either way. The only question is how much of the morning you want to spend with her. Recipy's meal planning flow handles the menu, the grocery list, and the cook timeline as one linked plan. Try it free.
The bottom line, a good Mother's Day brunch is a planning problem, not a cooking problem. The cook time is not where stress comes from. The stress comes from holding the menu, the grocery list, and the timeline in your head while the oven is running. AI fixes the holding problem. A pantry-aware app produces the 3 artifacts a host needs: menu, list, timeline, in roughly 10 minutes. Mother's Day is over for 2026. The next holiday brunch is closer than it looks. Father's Day is in 5 weeks. Full article on recipyapp.com/blog. Link in the description. New explainer every weekday at 4 p.m. Eastern.